You tell mommy what.
Ano ay video ko?
You tell mommy what's this.
Gusto naman.
You tell mommy what's this. What shape? What shape is this? I'm going to open it if you're going to tell mommy. Okay, what shape is this? This one. Later. You have to tell me first what's this. Triangle. This one. This one. This one. Star. Oh, namunad po yun. I don't know. Heart? That's not heart.
One heart?
One heart. Namin. Oh, mga min, di ba? Mga min nga shapes niya min niya. So, amo na may
Wow, very good, Waki.
Oh, this one. This one, what shape is this? This one first. This one, later, I'm going to buy this one. One shape. Oh, you come here, Ane. This one, what's this? This one, this is better, ne. Di ko and pay this one now, ne. Not that one, Okay. You see, there's a star, a flower, a triangle. Diamond ko na, katrumbus ko na.